Welcome ninjas, assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you to welcome to another unboxing and hands-on test here. AKKO, another keyboard from this super popular brand in a budget segment world. 3084, yes, you can get it for 99 bucks on banggood.com. Mechanical gaming keyboard, the 84 keys, Cherry MX switch, PBT keycap gaming keyboards. Bluetooth and wired dual mode, so it accepts wired connectivity and Bluetooth connectivity. What is also interesting, there's AKKO X Ducky 3084, which is selling for $80, but it's one single color, and you can see by yourself it looks something like this. And I reviewed this one. Make sure to check it out. This one has basically the letters are not on the top, they are on the bottom, on the side. So again, some of you maybe will prefer this style, some of you will prefer this one, but this one will give you probably more features and it looks more attractive in my opinion. This one is just a single color, that's why it's cheaper, ninjas. I think so. That's one of the I think differences or so. Nevertheless, let's go and see how this box looks like. You're gonna have the buying links below. You can buy it on banggood.com. Here goes. So features: Bluetooth 3.0 connectivity, 1800 mAh Li-ion battery, 84 key compact keyboard, USB connection, FN layer provide more functions, PBT die sub keycap, Cherry MX switches, and it's long around 31 centimeters. Thick around 3.8 centimeter, and weight basically the wide it is 12 centimeter. It is slightly heavier than the predecessor 64. What is, yeah, I think so. So 850 grams. Let's see what do we have in the box. Okay, ninjas, so here we have additional keycaps to replace the escape button and the arrow buttons. Interesting, probably because you're gonna use them the most. Anyway, Type-C USB cable, which is really long, very long. Hope, shame they don't provide something like this in smartphones and tablets. Tool to replace the keycaps, and we have manuals for 3084 and 3068 keyboards, because they are really similar. This one is just $30 more expensive, but it has F buttons and it has more features. Anyway, let's go with the keyboard. So here we have the keyboard, ninjas. It's a bit heavy, 850 grams is not that light in my opinion. So regarding this one, has supports Bluetooth and USB Type-C wired mode dual mode connection. No backlit, but reserve the LED position. You can add the LED by yourself, and just simply take the keycaps one by one. Long press FN and tap can switch the connection modes between Bluetooth mode and wired mode, up to pair with 3 Bluetooth devices. It's written over here, so you have to use FN control, FN button, and ERT. Here we go, ERT. Also, we have regarding the sound speakers, the volume just beneath there, where the M letter is. Anyway, press FN plus E to pair with the devices 1, 2, 3. Keycaps are made of 85% PBT material, and the printing is processed with the die sub technology, color bright and not easy to fade, ninjas. And again, also in compared to the older version, cheaper version, this one has separate lags, additional lags, which of course it can adjust the height, and it has these simple 4 rubbers, tiny mini legs. Also we have here the pairing, or the pairing mode over there, and the off and on button. You can see by yourself here, and also the AKKO logo with the 3084 model number. Beautiful, ninjas, beautiful. And we continue next. So features, it is cool for the gaming mechanical keyboard. Of course, the cable length is 1.6 millimeter. Interface is USB 2.0 and USB Type-C port. Key number is 84 of them. And regarding the keyboard lifespan, at least approximately, they say it's around 50 million times. So you can press 50 million times one button. That's crazy, man. Response speed is 1 ms. Anti-ghosting number is 6. First, we don't have the backlit type. Look what I said. The keyboard switch brand is Cherry, and we have a built-in Li-ion battery, 1800 mAh, which will give you around 120 hours of using. So for kind of hardcore user, you can easily use it 2 times a month. Basically, charge it 2 times a month. That's going to be, should be enough. 2 charging a month should be enough for you, ninjas, to use it like constantly 8 to 10 hours every day, which is again nuts, isn't it? And of course it has the longest standby, 150 days. Yes, 150 days standby, ninjas. Okay, ninjas, it has these special LEDs, which the cheaper version doesn't have. You can see by yourself, and I'm gonna just find it over here, which is really cool with these AKKO keyboards. They are simply easily to use, ninjas. Here we go, 3084. It's even number basically stated there. Yeah, wow, that's really amazing. Named. Perfect. You can see by yourself right now the LED will constantly flash there. or you can disable. Oh, that's caps lock. That's caps lock. So the caps lock will flash ninjas. Let's go now and test it with the smartphone here. Okay, so let's see here. Ha. Okay, what is interesting, what I can notice immediately, that this is a very silent keyboard, ninjas. Again, not completely silent, you can still hear while tapping in the room, but this is completely usable in a bedroom next if your wife is sleeping or so, because it's not gonna be that loud. You can see by sound. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Completely love this feature. So again, ninjas, you have additional keycaps which you can replace. Works perfectly with Android devices. This is really cool for smartphones or tablets, or you can use the USB connectivity to pair it, to connect it with your, of course, with your laptop or your PC or mini PC or maybe a projector, whatever you're gonna use it. Anyway, it does accept all these platforms, which is again really, really cool. Love it, completely love it. This is highly, highly recommended because of this. Also the silent feature mode, which I completely love, and this is by far the most silent gaming keyboard that I reviewed till this day, ninjas. Oh, love it. Today is a good day. Alhamdulillah. Beautiful. I mean, just the buying links will be in the description. Thank you in advance for watching this video.
Have you ever wondered where to buy smartphones from China? That is the gearbest.com and banggood.com, the most reliable two sites for online buying. Use my promo links below in the description to purchase anything, ninjas. That's the best way to support me. Let's go!